Now, earlier, we also told you that an opposition senator is calling on the Prime Minister to fire Darrell Vaz if a report from the Integrity Commission reveals Mr. Vaz acted corruptly in the sale of UDC lands in St. Anne. Senator Lambert Brown made the call as he continues to press for the overdue report to be made public. Now, TVJ's Dashan Hendricks has the correct story.
2 years and counting, Senator Lambert Brown says he's been asking over and over for the Integrity Commission to table a report to Parliament that was written after investigating the sale of lands previously owned by the Urban Development Corporation, UDC, in Ocho Rios, St. Anne.
And I've asked the parliamentary authorities to impress upon the Integrity Commission, because I know the report is finished. I know the report is finished. Why has it not been provided to the Parliament so we can see whether Jamaica got value for money?
The land in question is the prized beachfront property at Rooms on the Beach, Ocho Rios, which was sold to Mexican investors, allegedly without due regard to valuation reports. As Senator Brown demanded a copy of the report, Senate President Tom Tavares Finson assured that as soon as one is provided, it will be tabled.
Senator Brown, let me tell you what I'm going to do. I will ask the clerk to get a copy of the Hansard with relation to your submission today and have her forwarded to the Integrity Commission.
Despite that assurance, Senator Brown would raise the issue again in his presentation later in the sitting, but this time asking more probing questions, pointing to a Gleaner article 2 years ago which quoted the then Contractor General Dirk Harrison as saying a minister was questioned in relation to the sale of the lands. Mr. Brown then asked,
was Minister Darrell Vaz the minister who was questioned by the office of the Contractor General? Time for the people to know that. The country must know which minister meddled in the affair. Was it Minister Darrell Vaz? Most of them can just call me Wagga Wagga, as he has done. I don't fear that.
He slammed the Integrity Commission for not tabling the report and said if the Contractor General's Department was still functioning, it would have produced the report to Parliament already.
I have good reasons to believe that this report will be damning.
And given the requirement that the minister responsible for an entity be provided with a copy of the report, Senator Brown then asked,
has the Prime Minister been given a copy of this report? He's in charge of the UDC. And I have to ask this question in light of what happened on Wednesday morning. Will he fire the minister the same way he fired Minister Ruel Reid if he finds the report damning? Or will this be a case of what the people call, Mr. President, puss and dog, have the same look? If the minister who was questioned is exonerated, let that be. Similarly, if corruption is discovered, let us see the Prime Minister act with rural-like speed and fire that minister too.
Dashan Hendricks, TVJ News.